Welcome to our in-depth look at the fascinating world of Japanese mountain asparagus farming. In this video, we will explore the underground technique used to cultivate this unique and delicious vegetable. This ancient practice, rooted in the mountains of Japan, has evolved significantly over the years to meet increasing demand. Let's dive into the process step by step to understand how mountain asparagus is grown, processed, and harvested. Mountain asparagus, or yudo, was discovered hundreds of years ago in the mountainous regions of Japan. These wild plants were initially foraged by locals, but as their popularity grew, so did the demand. Today, they are cultivated using sophisticated techniques to ensure a steady supply. The journey of mountain asparagus from root to plate is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of Japanese farmers. The main root part is the starting point of this journey. In the initial stage, the roots are carefully selected and processed. The primary processing step involves removing the main branch of the root, allowing new sprouts to grow. This meticulous process ensures that the roots are in optimal condition for sprouting. It is always surprising to see how beautiful these roots can be once they start to sprout. Next, we move on to preparing the planting bed. This is a crucial step in the cultivation process. Below the roots, a layer of nutrient-rich humus is placed, along with a coil of copper. The purpose of the copper coil is to transfer heat, stimulating growth, and ensuring that the sprouts develop healthily. The roots are then placed into the prepared bed. Dense stacking of the roots is possible at this stage, which maximizes the use of space and resources. After positioning the roots, the process of covering them with rice husks begins. Rice husks play a significant role in this cultivation technique. They provide an ideal environment for the sprouts to grow, as the husks retain moisture and warmth. The entire root is evenly covered with a layer of husks, about 30 to 40 centimeters thick. After a few weeks, the magic of growth becomes evident. Despite the cold winter temperatures, young shoots begin to emerge, nurtured by the controlled environment of the greenhouse. This stage of growth is crucial, as it determines the quality and appearance of the final product. The shoots are carefully monitored to ensure they meet the high standards expected of mountain asparagus. In 2024, Japan continues to lead in the cultivation of mountain asparagus. With innovative techniques and a commitment to quality, The country's production of this delicacy has reached impressive levels, with an estimated 500 tons harvested annually. This growth is a testament to the dedication of Japanese farmers and the effectiveness of their cultivation methods. As winter progresses and the greenhouse maintains a stable environment, the young shoots continue to grow. When they reach the desired height and quality, it is time for harvest. Harvesting is a meticulous process, ensuring that only the best shoots are selected. This attention to detail ensures that the mountain asparagus that reaches your table is of the highest quality. Once harvested, the roots are not discarded. Instead, they are planted outside to regenerate. This sustainable practice ensures that the cycle of growth and harvest continues, maintaining a balance between production and conservation. Additionally, some roots are planted underground, where the sprouts grow taller and develop a beautiful white color, enhancing their visual appeal and flavor. The Japanese method of cultivating mountain asparagus is a perfect example of how traditional practices can be combined with modern technology to create a sustainable and productive agricultural system. The use of greenhouses allows for year-round production, while the layering of nutrient-rich humus and copper coils ensures that the plants receive the necessary heat and nutrients to thrive. This method not only increases yield but also improves the quality of the asparagus, making it a highly sought-after product both in Japan and internationally. The health benefits of mountain asparagus are another reason for its popularity. This vegetable is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and F and K, as well as folate and fiber. It is also low in calories and has been shown to have various health benefits, such as improving digestion, boosting the immune system, and reducing inflammation. These health benefits, combined with its delicious flavor, make mountain asparagus a valuable addition to any diet. As we conclude our exploration of mountain asparagus farming, we hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for this unique vegetable and the efforts involved in its cultivation. The techniques used by Japanese farmers are a blend of tradition and innovation, resulting in a product that is both delicious and sustainable. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Japanese mountain asparagus farming. We invite you to leave your comments and thoughts below. Your feedback is valuable to us, and we look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of farming and culinary delights. See you in the next video.